viewers, I am showing this engine. This video for those viewers they do not understand Urdu, so I am showing this engine and review in English. This is hatz engine made of Germany. This is a decompression device. When we operate it and starting this handle, moving this handle, this device uh, gradually, slowly slow down, uh, downside, going downside when engine will be start. So this is very special engine. This is uh, very durable product from Germany. This is very reliable, robust, and very powerful engine. Decades a symbol of quality. I must say their kindness is too great to be regarded in term of money. So I am starting this engine. I am showing you how it operate. This decompression device this is decompression automatic device. So I move it and I started this engine. I am starting this engine. Very high compression engine. So I try again. we have stop this engine. I hope you will be enjoying and like it. This is very beautiful machine of Germany. This is outstanding engine. Very extraordinary qualities of this engine. Uncomparable standard. This engine. This is very outstanding thing, machine. Please viewers, like my channel, subscribe and share and supporting me. Keep supporting me. Until then, goodbye. Please take care of yourself and please subscribe my channel.